Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in this video we are going to look at the zip function in Python. So zip is going to be available to you by default. You don't have to install anything, and here is a quick example of how to use this. So suppose you have two lists and you want to combine those lists with the values. The way I would usually do is you will have to go over each element in each list and map it with the other list, which is kind of difficult because you have to iterate over 2 times. To avoid that, we have the zip function that you can just call like this. So here you will see it is built in, which means that it is by default, and we have to pass in what we are trying to zip. So zip, like the zip in your bag, it joins two elements. So that is why it is called zip, because it is combining those two. If you use the zip in your bag, it is combining those two things to lock your bag. Similarly, over here, if I do zip of cities and countries, if I run this now, it is not going to do anything because we have not assigned this to anything. So I will do answer is equal to zip, print answer, and this is an object. This is a zip object. To go over the object, we will do for item in zip, not zip, for item in answer, print item. This is going to give me those two combinations of the list. So Chicago, USA, New York, USA. So I will do USA 2. So you can see the difference. It's USA 2, London, UK, and Warsaw, Poland. So this is how you go over the list. Again, you can see it is opening and closing round brackets. What does that mean? It means that it is of the type tuple, and we can check it over here. It is class tuple. If you don't want it like this, there are other ways. You can have the zip method in any way you want. In the end, it is going to be tuples. But for these tuples, you can have this in the form of a set by passing it to the set method. So let's do run, and we forgot to print answer. And now you will see that it is opening and closing with the curly braces, which means that it is a set because there is only one value. Remember, set and dictionaries start and close with curly braces, but only in set there is one value. If I do dictionary, DICT, this is going to give me a dictionary of those elements. And if I want, I can do a list, and this is going to give me in a list format. But at the end, you have to understand these values, when they are combined, they form a tuple. Okay, they form a tuple unless you're using a dictionary. So if I do a dictionary, it would be a normal key and value pair. So that is what you need to remember. So I can do for k, v in answer.items, which is how you go over dictionaries in Python 3, print k. I'll put some arrows and do a v, print this, and you will see that it is printing it like a dictionary. So if you're doing a dictionary, it is going to create a key and value pair. If you're doing a set or a list, inside that set or list, it would create a tuple. So that is all for this video, guys. Zip is pretty useful when you are dealing with multiple data types and you want to combine them to get something. So that's it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.